Hey guys, it's Tracy. How's everybody doing? Hey guys, so I know that it has been a little bit of time since I have been on, and I just wanted to kind of let y'all know where I have been, what I've been doing, and that kind of thing. So say hello as you hop on the video so that I know that someone's watching. A lot of people watch on the replay, so welcome. I did send a message out to my text list just to let you know that I was going to go live. And so anyway, guys, I have been super duper busy. I have not been live on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel, since probably before school let out. I looked back and I went, oh my goodness, has it been that long? I haven't done a craft and chat session, and I'm so sorry. I haven't had a chance really to do that, because the kids are out of school. My boys are out of school. I have a 15-year-old and then my 8-year-old grandson, and so they're in and out, and they just really mess up my groove. I'll be honest with you, really mess up my groove. And so I just haven't had a chance to really do a lot of craft and chat, but I'm still here, and I have actually, probably a little over a week, I was sick, with allergies, Texas allergies, this heat and everything. And so it's just not fun. It's just not fun at all. And so then I am also, my sister is the store manager here at Select Furnishings. And so they're having a big summer event. That's what I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all around the gift shop because I have so many friends that do like to see the gift shop. This is, they sell the wreaths that I make that, are on my page and that kind of thing. And so I want to kind of show y'all around because I have so many friends that like to see, and I like to see it as well. So say hello as you come onto the page so that I know that you are here. I appreciate you watching and all of the stuff. Anyway, so Select Furnishings is in Brenham, Texas, and it is a home decor furniture. They also have a little cute gift shop, and they have all kind of stuff. And so this week, today started, Thursday, then tomorrow and Friday, they have a customer appreciation. They call it a tent sale. They just have different stuff outside. That whole store's on sale. They have deals, doorbusters. They have different things for customer appreciation throughout the day, as well as this evening. They have a little luau party. They're having free pina coladas and drinks. They're going to have live music. They have when I take you around, they have you can spin the wheel for little prizes and that kind of thing. And so that is really fun. But I wanted to go live earlier, but there's so many people in here, so I'm like, okay, well, this is a little bit it's a little bit calmed down after lunch. And so let me come over here because he's talking to a customer. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of show y'all around because, when I do the wreaths or I do the crafts, this is kind of where I give them away, or this is kind of where they go, like I said. And so anyway, I appreciate so many of y'all watching. I'm so glad that y'all are here. Like I said, I haven't been live on Facebook for a while. It's just because I've been busy trying to get things stocked up here for this event, that it's going to last through Saturday, but it's just something I wanted to get them stocked up and that kind of thing. So I'm going to show y'all what is some of the things I've been working on. And it's mostly wreaths because that's what the gift shop wants. They do purchase a lot of things at Market, and so that's a lot of things where they get, hi Tamra, hi Fern, thanks guys for being here, hello Wanda. And so I'm going to show you around the gift shop. If I did one last Christmas and showed y'all during the Christmas event, and I got so much positive feedback. Oh, hey Shelly. And so I want to show y'all again. Okay, so let me go out this way because he's waiting on a customer over there and I don't want to disturb them. Anyway, so like I said, my sister is the store manager here, and so I just try to help her out. And you know, she's the one who asked me to do the wreaths and that kind of thing, and so I just try to help her out, just to get, you know, different handmade things into the gift shop. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let me turn you around. So here is the gift shop, and like I said, there's so many things that are on sale. Hi, Miriam. So they have, well, let me just start over here. So this is one of the wreaths that I did. I stayed up until midnight last night, and I finished these wreaths. She wanted some summer flip-flop wreaths, so I did that, and I did a hand-painted sign and did my hand lettering and that kind of thing. And so I did share, maybe last weekend, I did a couple of grapevine wreaths, and they just have a cute little gift shop here. I have just some beach wreaths, and they just have so many cute things. They also sell the Circle E candles, the ones that are in the jars. And so I'm gonna just try slowly take you through here, because I know I always talk about it, and I say, you know, the gift shop that I designed for, I kind of work part-time for them. Thanks, Erin. So glad that you could hop on live with me. And if you're watching later on the replay, I appreciate y'all being here and just kind of get an insight of what my world is. And so it's kind of farmhouse, kind of, you know, country. I'm not real good when it comes to like the terminology and all that kind of thing. Anyway, this store is located in Brenham, Texas. So if anyone is in the area, come and check us out. They have a very nice clearance area, and it actually is a furniture store, and then they have the gift shop in here as well. Here's another summer flip-flop wreath that I finished. Like I said, I stayed up until midnight last night just to, you know, get some more wreaths in, because she does have a, you know, like a list of people that when I get new wreaths in, she just lets them know. And like all of the pink tags, since they have, this is a summer customer appreciation, they have everything, the whole store is on sale. And so they just have all kind of, you know, like I said, everything. And if it's regular price, then through the tent sale, then you get 20% off the price. Unfortunately, it's just a small local family business. They don't have, they're not able to ship. That is another question that I always get, is can they ship? And I mean, like I said, unfortunately, they're just small. That is something that one day they hope to be able to, you know, provide, is to, you know, ship to other people. And so they have a lot of spring and summer things in the store. Like I said, a lot of rustic, a lot of farmhouse. Totally my style. And so we're just kind of, you know, coming back out here. And so, like I said, first they are a furniture store, and then they added in the gift shop. So they have, you know, different gifts that people, you know, can get for hard to buy for people, or you just need a little extra, just a little extra gift for someone. So just kind of, okay, so these are a lot of the wreaths that, you know, y'all have seen on my page. They kind of they alternate where they put them. So I see she put them like here, like on a wall. So there's some of the wreaths that I've done. There's another one. This is kind of like her patriotic home, little section right here. She just does a great job with setting everything up. I know, I love it too. And like I said, it's just all so well put together. So well. So some of this may look familiar, like at Christmas when I shared, but you know, it's the summertime now, so they just kind of set it up. It's all decorated, all different during the Christmas season. And so then outside, I'm not gonna go out there, but they have like a big tent outside, and I mean, all of it's new furniture. They just are having a customer appreciation summer sale. So if you didn't hear at the beginning, I said that they're having we're having pina coladas this evening, and then we're going to have they have food set out and just different drinks. Just have it all decorated out. They're going to have live music later. And so I just wanted to kind of show you. Oh, okay, here's another part. I'm so glad that y'all are watching. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of give y'all an insight, because you know, y'all hear me talk about it and you're like, what do you do with all this stuff? Well, this is where it comes right here. So I know y'all saw that on my page. Can y'all turn that music off so Facebook doesn't? Yeah, well, okay. Because, you know, FB will cut me off. And then they have, you know, just little gifts like that. Like this over here. So they also have, you know, all kind of stuff for the home. And so over here we have my beautiful mother right here. Hi. Say hello. This is my beautiful mother, Natalie. She goes by Nat. Say hi. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Tracy.
Anyway, so Mom and I are helping out. This is what we're doing. We're helping out at it's kind of like the customer appreciation. You come in and spin the wheel, and you can, you know, get some gifts. And, you know, they have little car fresheners and all that good stuff, so you can win a prize. Oh, and then also, guys, I made this wreath. Now, I know that I will get questions about this. This was a work in progress. I do not have a tutorial on this because I started this. I bought the sign at Hobby Lobby, I don't know, last summer, and it's kind of like a work in progress. I used two of the 21-inch candy cane frames, and I zip tied them together, and I just put tons and tons of mesh on here. Tons of mesh, tons of ribbon, and I put a little plastic flamingo on there, and it just has, you know, just all kind of ribbon and flowers and, you know, just all kind of stuff on there. And so I'll just kind of show y'all around a little bit. And so, you know, we have to keep the prices competitive to this area. This right here would sell probably for $200 or more on Etsy, but here it's not going to. So, you know, we just have to take that geographical location into consideration. That is one of the questions that I get all of the time. How much do you sell your wreath? We just have a different, relationship here. But that's the thing is, I just do it just because my sister asked, and she just wants to get handmade stuff into the store anyway. But I appreciate y'all watching. I just wanted to kind of give y'all an update of what I've been doing. I had been sick. The kids are out of school, just loud at home. So I will get back to doing some craft and chat. I also have to get back into doing craft around the clock, but it's just with the kids out of school, and then just trying to get things ready here for the gift shop. There's not enough hours in the day. I wish that it was, but it's not. Anyway, so I appreciate y'all hanging with me. If you're watching on the replay, I appreciate it. And if you're watching on YouTube or wherever, I appreciate you so much. Y'all have a great day. God bless you, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.